Hey guys, welcome to the Ultimate Post Kit widget tutorial. Today's video will show you a new category feature added to the category carousel widget. We're starting with dragging the category carousel widget inside the page. Once inside, scroll to the next categories and there is one with no background image. Now we can add a relevant background image to this category for a better user experience. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard and then click on the categories menu under the post section. Here, search and find the category with no image and click on the edit button. Inside the settings, you'll see an add image option at the bottom. Click on the button and select an image for the category. Then update the settings to apply the changes. Now go back to the page and reload it. Once you see the page again, keep scrolling and see that the category now has the same background image that you set from the dashboard. Now going back to the dashboard, if you click the remove image button and update the settings, the category background will turn blank again. Reload to see the changes. That's how you can put personalized content by editing the category image and displaying it along with the content on your web page. That's all for today. Give a thumbs up to this video, please subscribe and share this channel and get updates on new tutorial videos. Stay safe and see you next time.